Leos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we'll be looking at your energies starting from 15th till 21st of November. In this video we'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, okay? So let's see what's there for my Leos 15th till 21st of November 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, Leos. Leos, please, what's there for my Leos? If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want, okay? Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Three of Cups for you. So this is a feeling of celebration. This is a feeling of newness, or you might be meeting new friends, or basically this is a hint from the card where you should be enjoying basically whatever is happening. This is the energy from the universe which is telling you to celebrate your life, wherever, in whatever situation you are. Always try to enjoy. It's hard to enjoy when you are in a stuff where things doesn't happen according to you, but still you should be happy. For some of you, this is a third party situation as well, where some people are involved. I really get a feeling that this might have started from the month of Halloween, this October, sorry. So I don't know, but this is something which is coming up in my mind. We will clarify. In the past, we have Page of Wands, King of Pentacles and the Moon. So definitely this is something which is like a fishy situation, a situation where things were hidden from you, some truth which haven't been come out. I don't know, we will check in the present energies, but yeah, there was some kind of a hidden energy, hidden truth which was there, and your intuition was trying to tell you that yes, there is something fishy about the situation, and you were trying to analyze, you were trying to find answers in that situation, your person or you. Okay, so take as it resonates. It can be a vice versa reading. So you or your person over here could be dealing with a person who is I think younger to their age or elder, basically. Okay, so it depends upon your age. So somebody who is elder to you or younger to you, and you were dealing with this kind of a personality, or your person could be dealing with this person. We will see what is coming up in the future energies and in your clarification cards. At present, we have Seven of Swords, Six of Cups and the Page of Swords. So this is lie which has been told to you by your person. Okay, this is definitely a situation which I am really getting strong vibes that this is a person of your person, or this could be for cross watchers, this could be Leo who could be dealing. But yeah, the person is dealing with an ex in the situation. Okay, so this is a reconciliation with an ex, or this is a person who is trying to connect with an ex, and there is betrayal, there is trickery in the situation. Along with that, this person is like, they are communicating in like online, like via social media, like they are chit-chatting daily. So yeah, there is a situation like that. We will clarify it. In the coming future, we have Six of Pentacles, Eight of Wands and Two of Pentacles. So I'm definitely getting a feeling of things are coming towards light. Okay, so you or your person might be telling you the exact truth. The communication will start about the things which are happening in the future, and this person will tell you that they are confused, and this person would be in a situation where which one to choose, and that confusion will come up. Okay, so we will clarify it now. tell me more about the Three of Cups energy in your overall energy for my Leos. What's going on with this Three of Cups energy? Okay, so this is the Page of Swords, Two of Cups, and the Sun. So this is definitely, so basically over here as well, I am seeing three people, and three people in the Sun, and three people in Three of Cups. So this is a merry time, you know, it's a joyful time for some of you. This is definitely a celebration. I don't know, but I am getting a feeling of celebration because uh, the things which are happening to you, I think you should be grateful about that thing, because universe is telling you to be happy, okay, because something is coming towards light towards you. So because the sun energy is here after the moon, so I am definitely sure about the things coming towards the light, since you know after night it comes day. So yeah, and this thing with your person is more likely to be, you know, this third person has been entered in your lives, and things are becoming more than fishy. Things are coming towards light, so I wouldn't call it any more fishy in the present situation. The things were hidden in the past, but things are coming out in the light in the present. Okay, so tell me more about this Page of Wands energy in the past. Sorry, I will take this card. I am getting one card for Page of Pentacles. What are the other cards? Magician and Five of Wands. This could be there was a manipulation, I feel. Okay, it's like the person who your person was dealing in the past could be, you know, they tried to do certain stuff, like, you know, negative stuff I'm talking about. There's more like communication which went into fight. It could be your energy and your person's energy as well, where things went really bad in the past, and you tried to resolve those situations, those things with your person. You wanted to talk to your person, like what exactly is happening, because I think that you took a situation in your hand in the past, and somehow you and your person were like, you know, you got some kind of a fight in that thing. Like all of a sudden, you know, that eagerness, that rush of your instincts, it come up like that, and you fought with your person because you were not able to deal with anything what was happening. So you were, you know, there were like difference of behavioral difference you were able to see in your person, like how they are becoming so kiddish, how are you becoming so, you're a mature man, and how come you are behaving like so much silly around me. So you found some difference in their behavior, I feel. Tell me more about the King of Pentacles in the past, please. World, Temperance, and King of Cups. So yeah, I feel that they were involved with somebody. You might have known in the past as well that they are involved with someone, and you fought for that situation. Then they were like, okay, fine, I'm not talking to this person anymore, so it's fine. Okay, so the things, I feel that things ended in the past. Okay, things ended in the past. It was like, you know, it was like a pause which you saw that, okay, so now my person is not talking to this person, and now it's everything is getting balanced. But somehow you again you got to know, or you felt it, like, you know, it could be an intuition which you have felt it, because your intuition was you had strong instincts, strong gut feeling that no, things are still fishy. This person might be making you feel that, okay, I'm not talking to that person anymore, but they were. Okay, so yeah, you got that thing, because they were caught actually. There are, because at present I see that this person has been caught now, and yeah, lies are there. Tell me more about this Page of Swords in the present energy, please. I want to check the present energies. Lovers, Eight of Wands, and Two of Pentacles. Okay, so Eight of Wands with Two of Pentacles came again, the Eight of Wands and Two of Pentacles again. So see, these both the two cards came, you know, side by side in continuation. Sorry. Okay, so yeah. This person, the feeling of uh, whom to choose has been in the present, has come up in the present, because this person is so much attracted to the third person that they are not able to let them go so easily. So that is why they are in the decision making, what to do, where to go. Although they are hiding, still they are hiding some stuff, they are still connecting with their past person. But yeah, it's some hidden things which are going on and you know about it, but you are not able to leave because you feel that this person is your soulmate and this person connected with you a lot. But and this is literally really hurting you. But let me clarify this Seven of Swords energy in the present. Eight of Cups, Fool and Hierophant. You could be married to this person as well, and you, when you see their energies of leaving out, like they could be moving out from the house. They have already left the house for some of you, to meet their ex person, to be with their person, and to marry the person, because you are not ready to accept this thing. So this could be anything, because a lot of energies are coming up right now, and it's been like a heart inside you is just pulled away from your body. That feeling you are getting, I feel that. Oh, Leos, okay. Tell me about the Six of Pentacles. I feel that somebody is trying to help you in the coming future with the Six of Pentacles. Let me see who this person is or what exactly this thing. Judgment, Two of Wands and Wheel of Fortune. So there is a sudden shift in the energy in the coming future where somebody is trying to help you. Somebody is trying to make out a judgment in this situation. It could be somebody from the who could be like distant, and somebody is coming towards you to help you out in the situation, and to ask the other person to find a solution first, and then whatever you want to do after that. But you have to find a solution first. This is the thing which is going on. This will be the situation, okay? But let me clarify this Eight of Wands in the future energies. The Chariot, Ace of Cups and Three of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely there is the mending of the relationship coming up in the coming future. But along with that mending, there is somebody new coming your way. So this could be a person. This is definitely new person, okay? But the decision making will be yours as well. So I feel that this person and you as well, there is not only 2 to 3 energies. I feel that there are more people involved in the situation in which you are dealing with, and there are more people coming around you. It could be a person, it could be just an offer towards you which is coming towards you. Yeah, I feel that. Okay, let me clarify this Two of Wands, Two of Pentacles, High Priestess, Six of Pentacles and Tower. So yeah, things are I think there is a decision making by you as well, Leos. I feel that you must be waiting for this person to take a decision, but I feel that you are going to take a decision. Whosoever this person is who is coming towards you to connect with you, to help you out in the situation, you always have known the things, okay, and you have been very calm. Although there were fights involved in the between you and your person, but there has always been a feeling of knowing, or always have known the situation. So it's like the moment where for which you have been waiting for. It's like ending you have been waiting for, because you have always known that the things what are going on, which are happening around you, will end someday. They will end. So you know that. I feel that this ending which will be happening in the coming future, somehow you have known this thing is going to end, and it's nothing. For some of you, I'm also getting that you might be learning tarot. Okay, so you could be into occult sciences. You are learning tarot with the High Priestess in the coming future. You are interested too much into this field. I'm seeing runes as well. So runes and tarot is a very beautiful combination. So you could be learning, you could be buying books for tarot, or you could be watching YouTube videos. But yeah, there's something new energies which are coming up for you. Okay, so let me just take out 3 cards for you. So this is the angel answers oracle deck. Okay, so ask any question and I'm going to take out some cards for you. Angel oracle, angel answers for my Leos, please. I'll take this, I'll take this and this. Okay, so first card is peaceful resolution. Okay, so your situation is going towards a peaceful resolution, perfect timing, and yes. Okay, so whatsoever question you have asked, so this is the perfect timing, and you are going towards a peaceful resolution if you will go positively towards that situation. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Leos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.